Respect doesn't disappear, it gets replaced. And what replaces it is always worse. Right now, you're seeing this play out in Washington, D.C. There's a proposal for a monument, sometimes called an Arc de Trump, and is being considered near existing war memorials. Vietnam vets have filed a lawsuit pushing back because those spaces aren't empty. They are tied to places like the Vietnam Veterans Memorial, where names are etched in black granite. Over 58,000 service members who didn't come home. For them, this isn't about rather something new gets built. It's about what happens when you place something new, especially something tied to a single person, next to ground that represents collective sacrifice. So the question they're asking is simple. Do you respect what's already been paid for, or do you replace it? That's not politics. That's respect. These aren't just words. Loyalty, duty, honor, integrity. This is a structure. And like any structure, it only works if the foundation holds. And that foundation is respect. Most people think respect is about being polite. It's not. Respect is about recognizing what matters and choosing not to replace it. And when that breaks, loyalty becomes conditional. Duty becomes optional. Integrity becomes negotiable. And here's where people get it wrong. Respect doesn't fail because it disappears. It fails because it gets replaced by ego, by control, by silence. People stopped earning respect and started demanding it. That question isn't new. Athens had power, influence, control, but they stopped respecting what they built, and they started chasing something else. Glory, expansion, legacy. During the Sicilian expedition led by men like Alcibiades, they convinced themselves it was the right move. It wasn't. They replaced responsibility with ambition, and they paid for it. Same pattern, different time. Respect gets replaced, and everything built on it starts to crack. Respect isn't about being nice. It's about knowing what matters and refusing to replace it, because when you do, you won't notice it at first, but everything built on it will.